How can I use both headphones and speakers simultaneously on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how you can use both headphones and speakers simultaneously on your Samsung Smart TV. This can be handy if someone in the room wants to listen through headphones, while others prefer using the TV speakers.
Why would you want this setup?
Often, there are scenarios where 1. You want to keep the volume low for others around you but still want to hear the TV clearly. 2. Someone might have hearing issues and headphones can provide them with clearer audio. 3. Simultaneous audio output can create an inclusive environment for everyone in the room.
Setting up the TV.
To achieve this setup, follow these steps. 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. 2. Go to Settings by pressing the gear icon on your remote. 3. Navigate to Sound. 4. Find the sound output option. 5. From the list of available options, choose TV speaker and audio device. Note, this option allows audio to be played both from the TV's internal speakers and the external device, such as headphones or a soundbar.
Connecting your headphones.
For the simultaneous audio output, you'd need to connect headphones that are compatible with your TV. Here's how. 1. If your TV has a 3.5mm headphone jack, simply plug in your wired headphones. 2. For Bluetooth headphones, go to Settings, Sound Output, Bluetooth Speaker List. From here, pair your Bluetooth headphones. Remember, not all Samsung TVs might support Bluetooth headphones. Ensure that your model does before proceeding.
Adjusting volume levels.
Now that both are set up, you can adjust the volume levels independently. 1. For the TV speakers, use the regular volume buttons on your remote. 2. For headphones, adjust the volume using the controls on the headphones, if available, or through the device you have them connected to. That wraps it up. Now you know how to enjoy audio from both headphones and speakers on your Samsung Smart TV simultaneously. This setup ensures everyone's audio needs are met, making TV time more enjoyable for all. We hope you found this guide helpful, and happy watching.